In Ontario, a marriage contract is a legally binding agreement between the partners that specifies how assets, debts, and other financial matters will be managed and divided in the event of a divorce or separation. Below are some key points to consider. Requirements for validity. A marriage contract must be in writing, signed by both parties, and witnessed to be valid. Full and honest financial disclosure between the parties is essential. Failure to disclose significant assets or debts can make the contract unenforceable. Both parties must seek independent legal advice to ensure they understand the nature and implications of the agreement. This helps prevent the contract from being invalidated due to a lack of understanding or undue pressure. Timing. Marriage contracts can be entered into before marriage, prenuptial agreement, at any point during the marriage, postnuptial agreement, or even when the couple is in a common law relationship and later decides to marry. For couples intending to marry, the contract only comes into effect on the date of the marriage. Content. Marriage contracts can address a variety of issues, including ownership or division of property such as real estate, investments, pensions, and business interests, spousal support obligations or a waiver of such support, and inheritance rights upon separation or divorce. What cannot be included? There are certain matters that cannot be included or are limited in a marriage contract. 1. Decision-making responsibility and parenting time. A marriage agreement cannot limit a court's power to make orders about the decision-making responsibility and parenting time for children. The court always retains jurisdiction to make decisions in the best interest of the child regardless of any agreement between the parents. 2. Child support. A marriage agreement cannot waive or limit a child's rights to support. The amount of child support is determined by the child support guidelines and cannot be reduced or waived by agreement. 3. Spousal support. While a marriage agreement can include provisions about spousal support, it cannot completely waive or limit a person's rights to apply to the court for spousal support. The court will generally respect an agreement about spousal support as long as it is fair and reasonable, and both parties had full financial disclosures and independent legal advice.